Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to create Payoneer account. So let's get started. So guys, to create Payoneer account, you have to simply open the Google Chrome. Now in search bar, type Payoneer login. Click on first link. Now here you can see the option of sign up and earn $25. So simply click on it. Now first you have to select which type of account you want. For example, I'm going to select affiliate marketer. So here you can see two types of option. Get paid by publisher network and platforms, promote Payoneer and earn commission. So I'm going to select this, get paid by publisher. Now simply click on register. So you can see this page. So here you can see written select your type of account. So here I have select the individual. Now here you have to enter your first name, last name, email address, and re-enter email address, date of birth, and the captcha given below. So now enter the details. Now after entering the details, simply click on register. So in next page, you have to select your country. I have selected Pakistan, your home address. So enter your home address. Now enter here city and town. Now enter here zip postal code. Now here you have to give your phone number and simply click on next. Now here you have to create a strong password. So here it is asking about a security question. So select the question which you want. So I'm going to select this. In which city was your first elementary school? So in answer, I'm going to write the answer. Now here you have to give your national identity, means your ID card number, or so you can give driving license number or also passport number. So here I'm going to enter the number. Now here you have to enter your first name in your local language and last name, and after that you have to enter this captcha. After entering all details, you have to simply click on next. So this is the last step. So you have to give your country name already written and your currency PKR. So you can select here your country's currency. So here you have to give your bank name. So here you have to give your IBN number. Check this box. I agree to the terms and conditions and I agree to pricing and fees, and simply click on submit. You can see the option review in process. So here you can see our account is created. So simply click on sign in, enter your details. So after entering your email or your password, simply click on sign in. Simply click on turn on. Now enter verification code, send it to your phone number and simply click on submit. So click on OK. So here you can see our Payoneer dashboard, means our Payoneer account is created. So you can also create your Payoneer account by the link given in the description of this video. So after creating your account by that link, you will be added in our network. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.